Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope you're all doing fine, and today I am painting a money box. So over here I have a donut money box which I'm going to be painting, and it's a paint your own ceramic money box from Hobbycraft. So today we are going to paint it together, and we're going to try to make it look like this, or just like a delicious yummy donut. And it comes with paint on its own, and you can also mix the paint for different colors. So I think there's red, green, blue and yellow, white and black paint. Let's just fix this. So there are those paints that are included, and I have my own paint brushes which I'm going to be using. So let's begin. Okay, there we go. Now let's get it out. Oh my gosh, so here's the donut. There's a smiley face, and then some eyes and little sprinkles. And then here you can open it. So guys, here's the paint, and it even comes with a mini paintbrush. So cute. Okay, so there's these colors which we're going to be needing to use, and then here's these. So I'm going to be using the box if I need to change or mix the colors to make one, so I can just look at the box because I can't remember different colors which I need to mix. So let's do this. Okay, so guys, this reminds me of just melted chocolate, and we're gonna make a delicious chocolate donut. But we also have to be really careful because the sprinkles and those are gonna be rainbow, which I also like. So guys, I left it for about 5 to 10 minutes so it could dry. I put more than one there, so it took a little longer, so it took about 10 minutes for it to dry. And I'm gonna make the eyes and the mouth using black paint, but black paint didn't come with a set and I didn't know how to make any. So I'm just gonna use some different paint I bought. So guys, I painted the donut money box, and if you ask me, I think it looks really cute and cool. It has sugar icing and rainbow sprinkles. I tried my best I could, and that's what I did. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please like this video and share it to your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe right now. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!